Today we learn the sound of letter T. First I tell you story of letter T. Some children go to a tennis match. Each time the racket hits the ball, it makes a T noise. The game is very exciting. The people in the crowd turn their heads from side to side, watching the ball. The children go home and play tennis too. T, t. What is the action of letter T? It's your head go left and right. This is the letter T. This is the mama letter T. This is baby letter T. But mama letter don't have a sound. Baby letter has a sound. What is the sound of letter T? T, t, t. How to write letter T? Make a standing line and a monkey tail. Now it's a small line. What is the sound of letter T? T, t, tortoise. T, t, tomato. T, t, telephone. T, t, top. T, t, tiger. Now it's your turn to write a letter T. Standing line, monkey tail, then a small slipping line. What is the song of letter T? When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, t, 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 t. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Thank